Now, what's a float? You might notice that I assigned a number to it, and the compiler hasn't complained yet. In fact, I can hit F6 and prove that the compiler isn't going to complain about it. However, the big difference between a float and an integer is that a float can contain any number, positive or negative, including values that have decimal points. But things are going to get a little messy for right now. I should probably start off with doubles. Okay, just ignore that little F suffix right now. We'll talk about the F suffix very soon here. So if you see that F suffix and are freaking out right now, just hang on there for 5 minutes and we'll get to it. So a float can contain any positive or negative number that has decimal points in it. And the reason it's called a float is because it is a floating point number. And what does that mean? That means that it has a point in it that floats left or right depending on the place value of this value, or the place value of this variable. Which means we can put a bunch of stuff in it. And I'll talk about precision in a moment here, but for now, just know that we can pretty much put whatever number we want into a float.